Some of us love it. Some of us hate it. But none of us are immune to it. I'm talking about Christmas. A clutter catastrophe can occur at Christmas, but you've still got time to stop it. Hi, I'm the Clutter Expert, and this time I'm going to show you how to make room for Christmas. But first, if you've been enjoying my clutter videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember to ring the notify bell, because that way you'll be told as soon as my new videos are published. And if you have a question, please leave a comment. Make room for Christmas. If you already have clutter, and let's face it, who doesn't? Christmas will come along and soon you will have a whole lot more clutter. If you're not careful, you could reach the point where you get overwhelmed. Picture this. Picture your home as it is now. A bit, or a lot, cluttered. And then add a Christmas tree, paper chains, tinsel, advent calendars, strings of flashing lights, lots of presents, and lots of people. The result is clutter overload. But it doesn't have to be like this. You can stop it. If you act now, you still have time to declutter before Christmas. Clear away, and preferably give away, excess ornaments, shift unnecessary furniture that will trip people up, and get rid of last year's awful presents. Unsuitable gifts. You can safely assume that plenty of the gifts you get this year will be unsuitable. If you keep them all, year on year, this collection of duds grows and grows. So put a stop to this cycle of uselessness right now. If they're great items but just don't suit your lifestyle, then recycle them to someone who will appreciate them more. If they're truly awful in every sense, then sell them, if you can, or give them to a charity shop. Make room for decorations. Even a spacious room can look crowded if you add a giant Christmas tree and sundry ornaments. If your home already looks cluttered, I shudder to think what effect the decorations will have on it. Have a good clear out beforehand. If your room looks a little bare before Christmas, then you can be sure that once the decorations have gone up, it will look just right. Make room for people. People are what Christmas is all about for me. I'm not too bothered about gifts, but I love the general celebratory atmosphere of Christmas. I like the way you can put aside thoughts of work, deadlines, stress, and simply enjoy quality time with family and friends. If you feel like this too, then you'll need to make room for the people that are important to you. Don't limit the numbers due to lack of space. Remove excess coffee tables, ornaments, footstools, or anything else which will get in the way. And ensure that there's space for you to entertain without feeling stressed. Make room for enjoyment. Christmas is supposed to be fun, so remove the obstacles to your enjoyment. Remove that clutter. Don't spend more than you can afford. Don't obsess about gifts. And do enjoy the company of the people who make you feel great. Without clutter, you'll feel calmer, more able to cope, and will be able to relax and enjoy Christmas in the way it should be enjoyed. So remember, life is what happens to you when you declutter.